A light switch with numbers 0001, 0010, 0011, 0100. Wait a minute. It's like counting in the decimal system. If you want to convert a decimal number into binary, just use these following steps. Let's take the number 25 for example. First, find the nearest but not over place value on the chart above and put a 1 in that box, 16. Next, subtract the 16 from 25. Divide the result by the next number on the chart, 8. Place a 1 in the 8 column. Subtract 8 from 9. Neither 4 nor 2 is less than 1, so you need to put 0 in those two columns. Finally, divide 1 by 1. Put a 1 in the 1 column. So you can see 25 in decimal is equal to 11001 in binary. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please click like and subscribe below.